Morning! It's almost 7 o'clock and I had to fight to get out of my bed. I really didn't want to. It was comfy in there. Really, really comfy.
Here's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line, try a different lipstick.
Oh, I'm gonna work today. I wanna lay in my bed do nothing. Oh, I wish I could have got up this early yesterday. Then I probably would have had that Twilight marathon I was going to have. Instead of sitting in the living room and just random YouTube videos. Yep, that's what I should have done. Right now, what am I going to do? I'm going to watch all my clips. And I think, I don't know, I may get my breakfast and eat it back here, because that's not going to take that long. While I watch the news, I'm not sure. And then I have to go to work, because, that's that place I have to go to. That gives me my lovely paycheck, which I will get today, which will be awesome because I love money. I don't know what else I was gonna say. It escapes my mind. Anyways, that's what the beginning of this day is gonna start out as. I want the weekend to start. I want my day off to be here. But when I come back for work, I think we'll start Twilight Marathon. Just so I won't have to watch, like, ghost stuff and haunted stuff. I think if I start watching from the time I get off, I can be done with them by midnight, maybe? I may have to take a little break here or there. But I think I can do it. I think I can have them all watched before I go see the movie on Sunday. Oh, really tired. I need tea and toast. Maybe I'll get that before I start editing.
See what happens when you read with the mind? Oh, look now.
People affected by disasters like Superstorm Sandy.
I can't do it if I'm laughing.
Make a donation to American Red Cross disaster. Visit redcross.org. Red Cross.
Sweet little man on the street helping you find a vehicle to meet your needs. Hey, 2013 Dodge Dart, how do you like it?
10 airbags and all the stuff.
Where do you gotta go?
You gotta go to bed.
Those are your 4 o'clock in the morning sounds. You guys got your time wrong. It's not 4 a.m.
Do you think it's coming from the camera? Oh, poor baby.
There's a cat over there.
With soda
It's new to the house.
save 2,000 bottles a year. If you love the bubbles, set them free.
Your man on the street helping you find a vehicle to meet your needs. See you're towing a weight runner in this truck. Where do you gotta go to get a Dodge Ram like this?
You're mean.
Let's go.
Where the fuck is that cat?
Colorado. Tomorrow.
Oh my god, he's so confused. Poor baby. We're evil. Oh, Twilight's back. It's the end. Okay, we gotta stop making.
Floor.
You're serious.
We gotta stop making cat noises.
Sure you can fit in there?
So it's 7 o'clock and I got done at 4:30. That's like 2.5 hours ago from work. And I just recorded a little clip with my cat, torturing him with cat noises. We've been watching Twilight since like 4:30. It takes way longer to watch it on TV than it does on my iPod, which that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to watch New Moon on my iPod next to my computer while I read a fan fiction, but I need to get up and get some snacks. and I'm waiting for my phone because my phone's been on charge for 2.5 hours. It died while I was at work. Lovely. So I am going to get snacks. What you mean? And
No, hi, Leonard, this is Doug. Doug, this is my neighbor Leonard.
what am I gonna do? Read fan fiction. That's what I'm doing. Oh my god. Brain fart. Duh. What do you got? Baby. What you got? Huh? What you got? Where's it at? Get it. Did you get it? What'd you get? Oh my gosh, did you got... Oh. Oh, she's so happy. Did you get it? He has a feather. Oh, from this toy. Oh gosh, she's back. There might be... No! Kitty tore a feather off this toy. And, oh look, there she is. Do you want this? Do you want this? Want this? Are you done being crackheads? Anyways, it's 11:30. Oh my god, no, I did not want to go that far down in the story. Yeah. Where was I? Oh, okay, I lost my place where I was reading. Oh, there I am. I wasn't focusing on it. I'm going to bed. That's what I was gonna say. I have Jason Bourne playing in the background. I was watching Jason Bourne and New Moon at the same time. That was very confusing. I only have 2 movies to watch. Eclipse and Breaking Dawn, Part 1. But I'm really tired. Don't stare at me like that, okay? No, I'm not bringing it back, you crackhead. I'm tired. I've been up since 6 o'clock this morning. So I'm probably gonna call it quits here. So I'll see you guys in the morning, okay? Bye! Unless they do something cute. Like, if she attacks them, then there may be a bonus footage. Bye! Bye! Is it attack time? Get him, kitty. Get him. Get him. Get him. No. Get him, kitty, get him. Get him, kitty, get him. Because they think it's funny. Kinda, sorta. Nothing. Hey, skink. I miss everything. Like, you are... Kitty. I can't even see him. He's so disgusting in there. I miss all the things. You guys are so bad. Am I going to? No?
It's simple physics. A body at rest tends to stay at rest, while a body in motion tends to stay in motion. Staying active can actually ease arthritis symptoms, but if you have arthritis, staying active can be difficult. Prescription Celebrex can help relieve arthritis pain so your body can stay in motion, because just 1 200 milligrams Celebrex a day can provide 24
Braveheart.
for many with arthritis pain.
Kitty, 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 kitty.
Plus, in studies, Celebrex is proven to improve daily physical function, so moving
I see you. Get back here. Right now.
or without food, and it's not a narcotic.
Nothing.
You and your doctor.
It's gonna be a cat fight.
They meet for first time. One hisses at the other. Tells him,
What are you
"Fuck
doing?
up, bitch."
And then she runs away. Like,
She was just
go
telling him,
after
"Fuck him up."
him. Look, he's a wussy cat. He will lay down and let you beat the crap out of him. You got fleas? Look, and look, there he is. He's just licking his paws. You can get him.
Ugh.
Mommy would hear. Oh no.
Ugh.
Okay, pretend everything's happening. Act natural. Act natural. Act natural. Act natural. Get him. Get him, kitty, get him. Look, get him. Get him. Get him, kitty, get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, kitty, get him. Get him. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Brave. Kitty, 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 kitty. Get him, kitty. Get him. Look, you could get him. You could get him.
Stop instigating them.
But she could get him. No, she's gonna get the string high. Get him. Oh, you need something updated.